How to create a color swatch in Adobe Photoshop. You can create custom color swatches based off of existing colors by using the eyedropper tool. First, you select the eyedropper tool, then click on the color that you want. The color then gets added to the foreground. Next, we need to open up our swatches window or workspace by going to Window, Swatches. There they are. Then I can simply click on Create New Swatch, and I can rename it to the color I want, and then I click OK. As you can see, it added my swatch of navy blue to the end of the current swatches. So now I'm going to show you how to add this maroon color, the Rogers New Tech color number 2. By using the eyedropper tool, I selected it. It was the foreground color. I went to the swatches palette or window, went to the top corner and selected new swatch as well. You can rename them. This is helpful when sharing your files with people. Now they are saved in the color swatches palette, and you can use them to color other parts of your poster or project. So now what I'm doing is getting on the correct layer. I'm going to use the quick selection tool and just select a couple of letters here and change the word community to navy blue. Next, I select the color I want as the foreground color, and I just simply go to Fill. It's selected as white because that was the last color I used, but I need to change it to foreground color, and then click OK. And as you can see, it turned it to navy blue. Now I'm going to save this as a different name so it doesn't save on top of my old file. So that is how you use the eyedropper tool to create a custom color swatch.